比賽編號17 Angry Bird vs. Black Swan. Along the side of the lake, a group of black swans spread their wings gracefully. The abrupt introduction of the angry birds disturbed the tranquility of the lake, and suddenly everything is not the same anymore. After battles, who can ever imagine both of them fall in love and live happily ever after? Swan and happy birds enough? Cool.
Hot. I mean, like, look, yeah. I went over pickup lines in front of mirrors all the time. Mandatory, cause I see stuttering every time I try. If there's only one that's fit for you, I bet that I'm the guy. In my heart, if you leave me, then I bet that I'ma die. She Wiz said I had to get you from your man. The bitch told me that you said he's just a friend. No dude, heard he split cheese with a hobo. His checks keep bouncing SBs on a pogo. What you say, no the ruler. You either take me a joy, you wanna lay with some Pluto. I wanna make a new move for your benefit. It isn't that hard to pick. My sex out of this world, she call me Martian dick. I don't mean to dish your man, but I like you shit as been was. Since I was 10, I'm just trying to get a chance. You won't even give me that, it's weird. You know what? I think I came off wrong. Yeah, I started over like, what's up? I don't really mean to be rude, but last time I seen you with dude, I heard y'all broke up. Bummer. I mean, if it's cool, like we can go and chill or something. Straight drop, got the crush on you, crush on you. Got the crush on you, crush on you. Got the crush on you, crush on you. Shit, what you ain't for? Check this and check that.
It started out, I had a party at my house. Drinks and everybody and a couple girls on the couch. Look at them, they burnt out. They got their skirts all up. Another chick talking about she got a blunt rolled up. And so I did the done data, cause I'm about to make it happen. And she had another friend, and so I'm about to get a crack and smoke a blunt outside. No lighter, but some matches, and I only hit the blunt cause I knew she was giving action. You can't pass on that, bro. Plus she was bomb, and she got some nice hips. The girls get it from their mama. Hit the sex room, then we gotta change up the genre. This girl going wild, I think I'm loving her persona. She like to wear Prada, Louis V and Cabana. Street clothes over, lingerie on the bottom. I can't stop staring, adrenaline rush. But I had to suck it up and tell this cutie what's up.
I don't really mean to be rude, but last time I seen you with dude, I heard y'all broke up. Bummer. I mean, if it's cool, like we can go and chill or something. Straight drop, got a crush on you, crush on you. Got a crush on you, crush on you. Got a crush on you, crush on you. Shit, what you ain't for? Check yes and check no.
It's always been about me, myself and I. We thought relationships were nothing but a waste of time. I never wanted to be anybody's other half. I was happy saying I'd love it wouldn't last. That was the only way I knew till I met you. You make me wanna say I do, I do, I do, 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 do. Yeah, I do, I do, I do, 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 do. say I do, I do, I do, I do, I do, I do love you.